என் அன்பான உறவுகள் அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Today I am going to teach you a beautiful devotional album song, Raksha Raksha Jagan Mata. Hope you all like it. Before moving to it, like, share and subscribe my channel and get benefited. Click bell icon for my regular updates. Moving on to the notation, I'll place notation at description. If you have any doubt, you can either comment in the comment box or you can WhatsApp me to my WhatsApp number, which I'll place in the description. Now, I have tuned my Veena Stuti to 5, that is G. So this song, it is based on a Raham Ananda Bhairavi, which is a Janyam of 20th Melakatta Raham Nata Bhairavi. So what I am going to do is, I am going to construct my Maven as Sa, Pa as Ritu, Daven as Gaven, Datu as Gatu. So Gatu is also present, Anyaswaram, so I will tell you when it comes. That is Nivan as Maven, Tarastai Sa as Pa, Tarastai Ritu as Datu, Tarastai Gavan as Nivan and Maven as Sa. So the Arohanam and the Avrohanam of this ragam is Sa Ka Re Ka Ma Pa Da Pa Sa Sa Ni Da Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. So when we consider Maven as Sa, obviously the previous form will be Nitu, Nivan, Datu, Daven, and my open string will be Pa. Hope I think it is clear. So the Pallavi portion, it starts with Sa. What I am going to do is, I am going to slide the Sa from Datu. Okay. Sa 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 Ni. Okay. Sa 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 Sa. So all has a separate meter. Sa Ni single meter. So Sa 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 Ni. Sa Pa. This Sa Pa we can play in two ways. Sa 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 Ni Sa Pa. This is normal. This is sliding. Okay. So the second line is Pa Ni Pa Ma. So Ni I am pulling in Pa. Okay. Maximum try to have a gamakam. So it sounds very good. Pa Ni Pa Ma Ma Ga. So here in Pallavi, second and third line we will have Ga 2. The remaining places we will have Gavan. Okay. Pa Ni Pa Ma Ma Ga. So Ma Ga single meter. Ma Da Pa. That is Ma Da Pa. That is Da Pa Ma, like that. Okay. Just observe. So Ma Da Pa Ma we have to play it in a single meter only. So observe. Understood? Pa Ni Pa Ma Ma Ga. Okay. Pa Ni Pa Ma Ma Ga. So Ma Ga is single meter. Ma Da Pa Ma. The actual swarm is Da Ma Pa Ma. But when we have a gamakam, like when we play like Da Pa Ma, it sounds very good. Okay. So the first and second line of Pallavi I will play. Just observe. So Ga Ma Pa Pa Da. So this Ga I am sliding from Re. Okay. Ga Ma Pa Pa Da. Da I am pulling in Pa. Okay. Ma Ga Re Sa Ni. So Ga Re Sa Ni we can either play in alternative meter or in a single meter also you can play. We can also play it in a single meter. So the both the ways you can play. So the third line is, so here also third line we will get Ga 2 and then Ga Re Sa Ni when we play we will get Gavan. Okay. So just observe. So Ga Ma Pa Pa Da Ma Ga Re Sa Ni. When we play Ga Ma Pa Pa Da, that will get Ga 2 and Ga Re Sa Ni when we play we will get Gavan. Hope I think it is clear. So third line I will play. Just observe. So Ma also I am giving a slight gamakam. Okay. Sa Ma Ga Re Sa Ni Sa Sa. Ma I am pulling in Ga. Those who are finding difficult you can also play it in that place. Sa Ma Ga Re Sa Ni Sa Sa. Or so either way you can play. We can either pull Ma in Ga or also you can play it in a direct place. And for Sa Sa we can slide it from Ni. Okay, maximum try to have like connection between one swaram and other swaram. Okay. So Sa Ma Ga Re Sa Ni Sa Sa. So this is a Pallavi part. Again the same lyric will be like a repetition, like it will be repeated by like a chorus. So you can follow the same notation. So Pallavi I will play and show you, just observe. So this is a Pallavi portion. Now moving on to the Anupallavi. Pama pa sa sa sa. Okay. So Pama single meter. Pa sa sa sa. So first time we have to play 3 sas. So just observe. Pama pa sa sa sa. Pa sa 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 sa. So pa sa 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 sa. So totally we'll have 4 sas. So first time we'll have 3 sas, second time we'll have 4 sas. So in this time like you can remember the Sagityam. So when you remember the Sagityam it will be easy to implement in a veena. Okay. So pa ma pa sa 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 pa sa 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 pa sa sa pa sa sa. So totally the 4 times sa 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 will come. That is first time we'll have 3 times sa, second time we'll have 4 times sa, and third time 2 times sa, and again 2 times sa. Just observe. Slowly I'll play. Pa ma single meter. So pa sa sa sa, pa sa 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 sa. So pa sa 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 sa. This is 4 time. That is pa sa sa pa sa sa. This is third and fourth time. Hope I think it is clear. So just observe. That is ni ri, ni da pa, ni ri single meter, ni da pa single meter. Okay. Understood? So the first line I will play, just observe. Okay. Then after that the chorus come. Sa 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 ni ni sa. Okay. That is ga re sa 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 ni ni sa. Ga I am pulling in G. Those are finding difficult to pull ga at G. You can also play it in a direct place. Ga re, that is from sa we have to slide to ga and then re separate meter. Okay. Ga re sa 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 ni ni sa. Either like this or so either way you can play. You can either pull ga in G or you can also play in a direct place. Okay. So I'll play and show you from till here. Sa 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 ni ni sa, ga re sa 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 ni ni sa. Okay. After that the same thing will come. Pa ma pa sa 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 pa sa sa pa sa sa ni ri ni da pa. After that re ma single meter. Pa da 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 pa ni da pa ma ma. So ni I am pulling in da. Okay. Ma da pa ma ga re re ma ma da pa. Okay, that is in this line we have to pull ni in da and da in pa. Okay, hope I think it is clear. So re ma pa da 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 pa ni da pa ma ma. So ma da pa ma ga re re ma. So re ma ga re single meter, re ma single meter. Ma da pa. Clear? So this line. So this is the last line of the Anupallavi. So Gama single meter, Pama single meter, Gari single meter, Sani single meter, Risa separate meter. That is like the last line of Anupallavi. We can play it in a like alternative meters. Okay. So here all in this and all we'll get Ga 1 only. Okay. Only in Pallavi we'll get Ga 2, that too in the second line and third line. Okay. So Pama Pama Gari Sani Risa. Again the Raksha Jagan Mata will come. Okay. So this is the Anupallavi part. So slowly I will play and show you. Just observe. So this is the Anupallavi part. Now moving on to the Charanam. That is Ni sa ga re sa sa sa. So Ni sa single meter. Ga I am pulling in Re. Those are finding difficult to pull Ga at Re, you can also play it in a direct place. That is Tarasthai Davan is to be considered as Gavan. Okay. So that is Ni sa ga re sa sa sa, or both are correct. So either way you can play. Ni sa ga re sa sa sa, ni sa ga re sa sa sa, ni sa ga re sa sa sa. Sa re, the sa we have to slide it from Ni. So Ni sa ga re sa 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 we have to play for 3 times, and the 4th time sa re we have to play. Okay. So just observe. Then ga 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 ga. So ga I am starting from sa. Ga 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 re ma ga re re re. So ma I am pulling at ga. Those are finding difficult, you can also play it in a direct place, that is in which Tarasthai Nivan is to be considered as Mavan. Okay. So ga 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 re ma ga re re re, or you can also play it in a direct place like in a alternative meters. Like this you can play. Okay. Hope I think it is clear. So ga 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 re ma ga re re re, ne ne ni sa ga re sa sa. Again I am pulling ga in Re. Okay. Ne ne ni sa ga re sa sa. Okay. So till here I will play. Just observe. Okay, again the same lyric, same thing will be like a repetition, so you can follow the same notation. So after that, ni 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 sa sa sa, ni 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 sa sa sa. So we have to play ni 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 sa 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 totally 8 times. That is 4 times Shushila Ma she will sing, and the remaining 4 times the chorus they will sing. So what we can do, 4 times we can play it in a middle octave, and 4 times we can play it in a lower octave, so that it sounds very good. So just observe. Ni 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 sa sa sa, ni 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 sa sa sa, ni 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 sa sa sa. So after that you have to come to lower octave here. That is in the same first string itself. Ne 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 sa sa sa, ne 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 sa sa sa, ne 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 sa sa sa, ne 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 sa sa sa. That is 4 times here and 4 times here. Okay. So just I'll play this one. Just observe. So totally 8 times will come. So after that, pa ma pa sa sa sa, ni re sa ni pa pa ma. Okay, so pa ma single meter. So pa ma pa sa sa sa, ni re sa ni. So re I am pulling in sa. Pa pa ma. So pa pa ma, again pa ma in a single meter. Okay. Ma da pa ma ga re re ma da pa. So the balance remaining will be as same as the Anupallavi ending portion. Okay. So ma da pa ma. So ma da pa ma ga re re ma da pa. So the previous singer will be like a slight changes. The remaining will be as same as the Anupallavi conclusion. So just observe. Pa ma pa sa sa sa, ni re sa ni pa pa ma da pa ma ga re re ma da pa. Gama pama gari sa ni re sa. So gama pama, the last line is as same as the Anupallavi. We can have an alternative meter, and this re sa I am pulling in pulling re in sa. Also you can play it in a direct place. Both are correct. Okay. So the last 2 lines I will play. Just observe. Okay. So this again Raksha Raksha Jagannatha will come. So now the Charanam part I will play and show you. So just observe. So that's it. The remaining charnam you can follow the same notation, though the sagityam might be different, the tune is same, so I can follow the same notation. Hope I think this video will be useful for you. If you like the way I teach you, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Keep supporting me. Thanks for your love and support. Thank you so much.